Cleanliness is a trait we humans hold in high regard. From regular showers to meticulous grooming habits, cleanliness is deeply ingrained in our daily lives. But did you know that some animals in the wild also take cleanliness very seriously? In fact, they may even put us to shame. Welcome to Amazing World Facts, where today we'll be diving into the world of the cleanest animals. Stick around to discover 8 fascinating creatures that go above and beyond to keep themselves, and sometimes even others, spotless. From the tallest giraffes to the tiniest ants, let's uncover the secrets behind their impeccable hygiene. Let's start with an animal that's likely no surprise: cats. These furry felines are renowned for their grooming habits, spending up to 50% of their waking hours cleaning themselves. But why are they so obsessed with staying clean? Cats have specialized tongues covered in tiny, hook-like structures called papillae. These structures help them remove loose fur and dirt from their coats, making their grooming routine incredibly effective. But it's not just about cleanliness. Grooming also helps cats regulate their body temperature and stimulate blood flow, keeping their skin healthy. And it doesn't stop there. Cats also engage in social grooming, where they clean each other. This not only keeps them clean, but also strengthens social bonds within a group. So the next time you see your cat licking itself, remember, it's more than just vanity. It's a vital part of their health and well-being. Next up, we dive into the ocean to meet the dolphins, one of the cleanest animals in the marine world. Dolphins may not have fur to groom, but they have developed other methods to maintain their cleanliness in the vast ocean. Dolphins are known to rub their bodies against sandy seabeds or rough surfaces like coral. This behavior, known as sanding, helps them remove dead skin cells, parasites, and any unwanted hitchhikers from their smooth skin. Additionally, dolphins are highly social creatures that engage in mutual grooming, using their teeth to remove debris or parasites from each other's skin. Their playful nature also plays a role in staying clean. Leaping out of the water or swimming at high speeds helps them shake off anything clinging to their skin. It's no wonder dolphins are considered some of the most hygienic animals in the ocean. Their cleanliness and social grooming not only keep them healthy, but also strengthen the bonds within their pod. Moving on to some of the tiniest creatures on our list: ants. These industrious insects are not just organized in their work, but also in their hygiene. Ants are known for their impressive cleaning habits, both individually and within their colonies. Ants constantly groom themselves using their legs and antennae, removing dirt, debris, and pathogens from their bodies. But their cleanliness doesn't stop there. Ants also engage in mutual grooming, where they meticulously clean each other. This behavior, known as allogrooming, is essential for the health of the entire colony. In addition to personal hygiene, ants are also fastidious about keeping their nests clean. They remove waste materials and dead bodies from their living spaces, sometimes even creating separate chambers for waste disposal. This level of cleanliness helps prevent the spread of disease within the colony, ensuring their survival. It's fascinating to think that these tiny creatures have developed such advanced cleaning behaviors. Ants truly are the clean freaks of the insect world. Pigs often get a bad rap for being dirty, but the truth is they're actually quite clean animals, if given the chance. The idea that pigs are dirty stems from their love of mud, but there's more to this behavior than meets the eye. Pigs don't have sweat glands like humans, so they rely on mud to keep cool. Wallowing in mud helps them regulate their body temperature, but it also serves another purpose. Mud acts as a natural sunscreen and insect repellent, protecting their skin from the sun and pesky parasites. When they're not in need of cooling down, pigs prefer to keep their living spaces clean. In the wild or on farms with enough space, pigs will designate separate areas for eating, sleeping, and toileting, ensuring they don't live in their own waste. They also enjoy a good wash, rubbing themselves against trees or using water to clean off any excess mud. So, while they might enjoy a good mud bath now and then, pigs are actually quite hygienic animals that take pride in keeping themselves and their surroundings clean. Birds are another group of animals that take cleanliness very seriously. Whether they're soaring high in the sky or perched in a tree, birds spend a significant amount of time preening their feathers. But what exactly is preening, and why is it so important? Preening is the process by which birds clean and arrange their feathers. They use their beaks to remove dirt, dust, and parasites, while also spreading natural oils from a gland near the base of their tail. These oils help keep their feathers waterproof and flexible, which is crucial for flight. Preening is not just about staying clean, it's essential for a bird's survival. Well-maintained feathers are necessary for insulation, camouflage, and attracting mates. In some species, preening is even a social activity, with birds grooming each other to strengthen bonds within a flock or pair. And it starts from a young age. Mother birds often preen their chicks to keep them clean and healthy until they're old enough to do it themselves. So, the next time you see a bird meticulously grooming itself, remember that it's not just about looking good, it's a vital part of their daily routine. Next, we turn our attention to the gentle giants of the animal kingdom, elephants. These magnificent creatures may seem too large to worry about cleanliness, but they actually have a variety of grooming habits that help them stay healthy and comfortable. Elephants love water, and one of their favorite pastimes is taking a bath. They use their trunks to spray water over their bodies, washing off dirt and cooling down on a hot day. But that's not all. After a refreshing bath, elephants often engage in dusting, where they toss dust or mud over themselves. This dusting behavior may seem counterintuitive, but it's actually a clever way to keep clean. The dust or mud creates a protective layer on their skin, helping to ward off insects, parasites, and the harsh rays of the sun. It's like a natural sunscreen and insect repellent all in one. Even young elephants learn the importance of these grooming habits early on, mimicking their parents as they splash in water and roll in the dust. For elephants, cleanliness is not just about hygiene. It's a crucial part of their daily routine that helps them stay healthy in the wild. Rats may not be the first animals that come to mind when you think of cleanliness, but these rodents are actually quite meticulous about their grooming habits. Despite their reputation, rats are one of the cleanest animals in the rodent family. Rats spend a significant portion of their day grooming themselves, using their paws and tongues to clean their fur, faces, and tails. They even have a set routine for grooming, starting with their faces and working their way down to their tails. This helps them remove dirt, oils, and parasites from their bodies. In addition to personal grooming, rats also engage in social grooming. They clean each other, which not only helps with hygiene, but also strengthens social bonds within their group. Rats that groom each other are less likely to fight and more likely to share resources, making grooming an important part of their social structure. And it doesn't stop with personal hygiene. Rats are also known for keeping their nests clean and organized. They remove waste, food scraps, and any unwanted materials from their living spaces, ensuring a clean environment for themselves and their offspring. So, while rats may not have the best reputation, their grooming habits are truly impressive. These small rodents prove that cleanliness is a priority, even in the animal kingdom. Finally, we arrive at our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, monkeys and apes. These primates are renowned for their grooming behaviors, which go far beyond just staying clean. In the world of monkeys and apes, grooming is a complex social activity with deep significance. Grooming in monkeys and apes involves using their hands and fingers to meticulously pick through each other's fur, removing dirt, parasites, and loose hair. This behavior is known as social grooming, and it's not just about hygiene, it's a key part of their social structure. Social grooming strengthens bonds within a group, reduces stress, and helps establish and maintain social hierarchies. In many species, grooming is a way of showing affection and trust, and it's often exchanged for favors, like access to food or protection. From the tiniest marmosets to the largest gorillas, grooming is a vital part of life for monkeys and apes. Even young primates learn the importance of grooming from a young age, with mothers teaching their offspring how to clean themselves and others. From the graceful grooming of cats to the intricate social grooming of monkeys and apes, these 8 animals have mastered the art of cleanliness in ways that are both fascinating and essential to their survival. It's a reminder that in the animal kingdom, staying clean is more than just a routine, it's a way of life. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of the cleanest animals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Amazing World Facts for more incredible insights into the wonders of our planet.